Alright guys, it's Honey Jefe here. It's Wednesday, October the 29th, 2025. It's about 3:20. Let's see what else we got here. What's the weather? How cloudy it is. It's windy too. I just reset my phone. So I'm having to allow all these apps to do this stuff. It is cold. It's 60 degrees. Feels like 48. Okay. High 61. And what am I doing? I'm out here at my Elm Grove Apiary. I got 4 hives. I had 5. Now it looks like I got 0. I see some bees hiding under here. I don't see anything right here going on, or there, or here. But I mean, that's great. I treated all these for mites. There we go. All right, a little bit of promise. I think I have some Pro Sweet out here. That's winter feed. There's some pollen going in right there on that bee. Pollen going in there. The bee going in there. All right. So my goal is to take the formic acid strips out of here and just pull these honey supers. And so the landowner's back in town now. He's back at the house. He asked me about these playing cards. And I told him it was just kind of my idea. We're referring to these boxes. Of course, they don't always retain their visibility. I can see that's the 8 of hearts. That's the 9 of clubs. I think I want to try something different than playing cards, or something additional to playing cards for these next boxes. But yeah, I think it helps with the bees to prevent drifting and things like that. Anyway, I'm not going to set my phone out. I want to get in and get out. I forgot to bring my tops for putting these bees on the boxes. So what I'm going to do, probably use towels. I'll set them on top of here. Of course, they can get out from the bottom, and I'll put this on top of them just to kind of keep them enclosed. And let's see, what else can I do? Let me go ahead and pull out this is my syrup.